Today I'm going to show you how to make a robot out of your recycling. Now, before we try and make anything, it's really important to take a moment to really try and find that calm space that helps with your creativity, because I can't be creative if I'm not feeling calm. So we're going to take 3 deep breaths in, and as you take the deep breath in, you're going to hold it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you're going to let it all out. Okay? So we're going to take a deep breath in. Let it all out. And we're going to take another deep breath in. Out. And one last time, take a deep breath in. And let it all out. So now I'm feeling calm. I feel like I might be in the right space to be creative. Some tin foil, some masking tape. If you don't have masking tape, that's okay. You can use sellotape, gaffer tape, or anything similar that you have in the house. Scissors, Fit stick or PVA glue, it doesn't matter. A selection of recycling, plastic, tin, cardboard. Now it's really important to recycle, because if we don't recycle, then all of our plastic and our rubbish ends up in the oceans, and the fish can swallow it, and it becomes a big problem for the planet. I've chosen the biggest box I could find in my recycling. I think this would make a good robot body. Next, I need to find a head for the robot. This one. So if you've got a medium-sized box, you can use that for your head. Next, I'm going to put the head on top of the body. If you have 2 juice cartons or milk cartons, or you can be more creative and use anything else you might have, like Pringles pots. Don't worry. I've had a look through my recycling and I found these 2 little boxes which used to have mushrooms in. This was in the middle of kitchen roll, and I think it will make a perfect arm. For the shoulders, I'm going to use brown paper bags. Pasty boxes, and I thought that make really good robot hide. various different styles. So I looked in my recycling and I found some round containers and some lids. So I'm going to attach the containers and lids to my robot body. It's starting to look a lot more like a real robot. Next, we need to give it some teeth. And there we have our robot. I think he looks amazing. I feel very proud of myself today, and I feel that doing this creative task has really made me feel calm and happy. And I hope that you feel the same at home. Thanks for watching. Bye.